What's up, guys, and how are you guys doing? It's been literally a month and 2 days since I last posted on this channel. A lot of things has happened actually. Firstly, my phone got stolen, so I could not get my old messages back. So if you already sent me messages, please resend your messages and I will respond to them as fast as I can. Secondly, I opened a new store. I just opened my store. It's within that month, actually, within a month, I just opened the store and I'm still actually working on setting it up as I want. So I make a video on how to set up this store, like a step-by-step process on from the beginning of when I got the place, when I started breaking the walls and started installing the glass. You can see the glass on that's like face the outside. I'm still going to record this in the morning and show you guys. And if you look at the back, there's still other glasses here, all the way to the back, to the end down part. You can see how there's still the glass in the front that face the road. You can see I'm literally beside the road. Yeah, so I made a video on when I got the place, when I was installing the glass, when I was doing all of these things. And I wanted this video to be like a template that you guys can follow along and replicate. I want it to be like the pricing and everything, so anybody can just like watch the video and like do exactly the same thing, right? To get a store or a showroom, if that's what you call it. But quite unfortunately, all the video that I recorded of the breaking of the walls and everything, the POP process, they were on the phone and the phone got stolen. Like, it's crazy. Like, my brain wanted to explode. But I'll have to take my time to like create a video and breaking down the cost of everything for you guys on another video. But I'm back right now. I just got another phone so I can record this live, and my phone and my laptop actually got stolen. My phone and my laptop. I still have my camera, so I will return back to making videos for you guys. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're here and you want more videos are coming, like crazy one, business on fashion, how to do some things, the same way we do it. A lot of them are coming, so that's about it, and we'll see you guys on another video. Do have a lovely rest of the day, and I just want to say thank you. I've got a lot of people messaging me and saying they've not seen me online after just this couple of weeks that I set up the phone back. So I will be back online making more content, telling you guys about the business side of fashion designing and everything in between. They are all coming together. So thank you guys for staying and subscribing to the channel. More videos are coming, most especially the business side of fashion. I said that several times. They are coming, more videos are coming. God bless you. I believe and I pray that you're living the best fashion of your life currently. That will be about it, and I will see you on the next one. Do have a lovely rest of the day. Bye bye. And to the head, salute.